Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Microbit versus Arduino. We'll explore their key differences, helping you decide which board best suits your needs. The Microbit is fantastic for beginners and educational settings, while Arduino provides more power and versatility for complex projects. We'll look at their features, programming environments, and ideal use cases to guide your decision-making process effectively. The Microbit shines in its simplicity and educational focus. It comes equipped with a 5x5 LED matrix, 2 programmable buttons, and built-in sensors for light, temperature, and motion. Its block-based programming, often using MakeCode, makes it incredibly accessible for young learners and those new to coding. It's perfect for quick, engaging projects and fostering foundational programming skills. Arduino, on the other hand, offers greater power and versatility. With a wide range of boards like the Uno, it provides more processing capability and memory, allowing for more intricate projects. Its open-source nature supports a massive ecosystem of shields and sensors. Programmed primarily in C++ through the Arduino IDE, it's the go-to for advanced users tackling automation, robotics, and Internet of Things applications. So, which one is better for you? If you're just starting out or working with younger learners, the Microbit's ease of use is a clear winner. For more experienced makers or projects demanding greater control and expandability, Arduino is the superior choice. Ultimately, both platforms are fantastic for developing essential computational thinking and engineering skills. Choose based on your project's scope and your comfort level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.